Hello, welcome to the Peer Forum channel. Here, you will learn about Pivot Animator software, suitable for children aged 6 and above. The drop-down menus are displayed here. Read, attempt, and then work independently. Familiarize yourself with the terms by hovering the cursor over the various buttons. Practice them individually. Practice them on your own. Please move your cursor repeatedly as instructed. Repeat the same step continuously, but only adjust your cursor position. Well done, little genius. You're in for making some animation. But you need to know few key terms. In our next video, we will explore this topic further. Until then, practice more and more.